Are you thinking you might be able to get some airtime now that the King of the South stood by? Break. I know John Deere said he's glad you stood by, but I didn't hear him that time. I don't know what happened. Hey, King of the South, this is roughing my radio, but I don't know what happened. Break.
Yeah, John Deere, I'm leaving him in charge. Yeah, John Deere, the King of the South, will leave him in charge. Hey, number one side, I'm on John Deere, the King of the South, will leave him in charge. We got number one side, the King of the South. John Deere in charge, I'm gone.
You said John Deere's in charge, you're going to leave him in charge, you pulling straight back. You said John Deere's in charge, and you're going to leave him in charge. Hey, King of the South, that's what you said. You said, number one son, John Deere is in charge, and I'm going to leave him in charge. Bye-bye.
I'm standing by. Number one son. You want out, you still have alone.
Well, Noisemaker done came up in my radio and done cut everybody off. Hey, King of the South, while you standing by, I'm standing by too. Old Noisemaker done came up in there talking to 809 or somebody down south. Take care, King of the South. John Deere is in charge. Number one son is gone.
You just knocked him out. He was out about that. If you were not, you know, 250 meters working in my radio, that both did. Catch up with your leg. Where you going to now? Where you go to that break? Ice Cream Man 6'9". Ice Cream Man. Worldwide Ice Cream Man 6'9" in the Magnolia with no Mother Nation. The Mobile Ice Cream. Hey son, I'll be back in a minute. Hey, number one son. John Deere, I'll be back in a minute. Take care, I'm gone.
Mighty fine, very good. Mighty fine, very good. Go do what you got to do. I'll be here listening for you, John Deere. I'm stepping in the clear. Right there where you like, right? Oh, now. Hey, hating discontent. You come up here to the northwest corner and clean out my radio, and you don't want to start no hating discontent? Get on out of there. Mr. Most Dangerous, your friend in the corner, is getting down. Hey, King of the South. Man, I'm telling you, T-Bird came out there and laid my radio over at 60 dBs. The next KU came over there and laid my radio at 60 dBs. We might have the makings of some fun going on here. If I can get T-Bird's attention, we might have some fun. Mr. Worldwide King of the South, number one son, New Watergate rolling, got down.
Well, I don't think the first world gate. I'm gonna stand by this somebody else get on the second water gate. Hey, number one son, it's probably me on the first water gate. Most of me, I'm gonna put it that way. Most of me on the first water gate. So I'm gonna stand out this here and let somebody else make the second water gate. Take care, number one son, the king. Back in the bushes, I'm gone. Oh, yeah, you don't doubt about that.
For Roger, man. Boy, I tell you, you're right too. I got 30 minutes of the King of the South, with a couple of slight, maybe small interruptions by some other guys. But like I told you before, I don't use the word dominating, but when I use it, I mean it. Mr. Worldwide King of the South, number one son, getting down.
Right, I'm going to give me some cold drink. I'm going to give me some donuts, some cold drink. Give me some cold iced tea, cut me. Hey, ice cream man, I'm going to give me a glass of cold iced tea, no doubt about it. Ice cream man, I'm going to the fridge. Bye.
I want to know where T-Bird went. That cotton picker keyed up, now he's taking a standby. Number one son's getting down.
I didn't get all that ice cream. I get all that, man. These got to shift around. I get all that ice cream, man, right? Oh.
Tell him why. Hey, Noise, tell him why you didn't get all that. Because I snatched 53 flavors and I'm having me a big bowl of ice cream. Number one son got down.
But number one son, you say you stand 5'3" or something. You cut my really that number one son. You know, all that, I get that dog. You cut me. Number one son, knowing all you got is red bag.
No, I said tell Ice Cream I snatched 53 flavors and left him with one. Hey, Noise, I snatched 53 flavors and left him with one. I'm having a big bowl of ice cream. Break.
Yeah, well, no, I don't get what you're saying about the ice cream, guys. I know you're my regular ice cream, my man.
I want some ice cream. I want some ice cream. I want some ice cream. The last thing I would ever do is ask somebody to stand by. Hey, King, the last thing I would ever do is say, hey, could you stand by? Not on this cotton picker. Ain't no way I tell him to take it to Channel 4 before I tell him to stand by. Break.
Yeah, well, I done proved my point, man. I done gonna whoop everything doggone the day to Keita, man. Hey, number one son, I have proved my point. I done whooped everything Keita today. That be doubly sure. Take care, number one son.
And that ain't no joke. You just put the biggest signal of the day in my radio. Hey, King of the South, you just put the biggest signal of the radio in of the day in my radio. You're over there in T-Bird territory, cotton picker. Ain't nobody puts my radio over there but T-Bird, but you just done put it over there. I'm going to have to reserve that space for you. Number one son is gone.
Ask anybody down south they want to play before I go 10-6. Hey, number one son, ask anybody down south if they want to come out here and go 2 or 3 rounds before I go 10-6. Take care of number one son. There's that 5, the king standing by.
Does anybody want to go 2 or 3 rounds with the King of the South? Does anybody want to go for 2 or 3 rounds with the King of the South? I'm standing by. I'm listening. Does anybody want to go 2 or 3 rounds? I got the Watergate rolling in Idaho. Break.
Let me know if they key up. No one son. So you got 30 dBs in my radio.
Hearing nobody, I think you can go 10-6. Hearing nobody, I think you can go 10-6. John Deere back there at about 20 dBs, but that's a long way from 60, so I ain't calling nobody under the bus. Hey, King, ain't nobody out there but you, number one son, got down.
I'm standing by, number one son, I'm gone. Hey, what is, when you find out, let me know. Hey, what is switchblade, blade, switchblade? So when you find out, let me know. You need to tell you what is switchblade, blade,
I'm trying to find somebody else that want to go a couple rounds with you, man, but there just ain't nobody got my radio like you. Hey, King, ain't nobody got my radio like you do, so I'm going to pull straight back and call somebody's name when I think they give you some competition. The sun got down.
Ice cream, man, them chemicals ain't coming out here. I'm going to stand by. I'm going to stand by on this end, no doubt about it. Now, I stand by for my locals on this end. See, I stand by for my locals. See, my locals, I don't even worry about my locals. I stand by reading the on my locals. But anybody doggone at 50 miles from me, they got hell to pay. Take care of that end. Number one son, the king of the South, is standing by for my locals. I'm gone.
All I can tell you, Cotton Picker, is you got the hammer down and ain't no joke. It's been 45 minutes. It's been an hour since I've been talking to you, and for an hour you've dominated my radio. Mr. Worldwide King of the South, I gotta give all the props to you and Sneaky Pete. Bye-bye.
Poppin'. Appreciate it. Tell them boys one more time. If they want to talk like me, lay me a 21. I give Sneaky Pete's phone number. Tell them if they want to talk like me, lay me a 21 and I will give Sneaky Pete's phone number. I'm not coming back no more. Number one son. After your final finale, the king of the South is gone.
Attention on the band. Attention on the band. May I have your attention, please, on 27.025. This will be the last commercial of the King Snake Hour. And he said to remind all you cotton pickers, muddy mouth weenies, bleacher creatures, and to that and this and the other thing, that if you want to talk like the King of the South, give him a 21 and he will gladly pass you Sneaky Pete's phone number. He might even do it out of the kindness of his heart, but a standard 25% commission applies. I can ad-lib too. Mr. Worldwide King of the South, there's your commercial. I'm gone.
Thank you, number one son. I'm standing by.
Unbelievable, man. All I can say is unbelievable. This will be the behind-the-scenes cut. Everybody, 20, 30, 40, 45 dBs. You lay that thing over to 60 every cutting picking time. Catch you later, Mr. Worldwide King Snake. You know who got down.
And I want to thank you. Hey, what is this? Please. I can't sing your theme song, but I want to thank you for talking to your radio, and that's what people get show. Take care. Worldwide one here. Switchblade, Wolflake. Bye. Hey, what is that? We got to get down. I'm gone. Because the show don't look like this stuff don't do no talking. Hey, Ice Cream, man, this T-Bird, he ever been slapped by a pimp. Tell me the King of the South won't know one thing. He ever been slapped by a pimp. Take care of that Ice Cream, man. The King of the South got all the way down. I'm stepping. Switchblade, one place to keep up the good work. Take care. Worldwide, what is it? Pennsylvania, Cal? Switchblade, switchblade, one place. Bye. Looking for first time everybody snapped him that back. You know why your pimp slap a cat nigga, you backhand him. I just backhand that cat nigga, no doubt about it. Take care on that get on that side. Switchblade, Bob. Tell T-Bird lay me a 21, I give Sneaky Pete phone number. Tell T-Bird and lay the King of the South a 21, and I will give Sneaky Pete phone number. Take care on that camera and Ice Cream Man, the King of the South, got all the way down, I'm stepping. Adios. Hey, what is it? Hold on here, and they can't get to my radio. everybody. Take care of that ice cream, man. I'm gonna stand out his head. I got a 21. Take care of ice cream, man. Let me go to this 21. No bogus fries. I'm gone. Switchblade, bye-bye. But you got that damn hammer down. One here, 69, Willie James with no Mother Nature in the Mobile, back 10-7. Anytime ice cream. Anytime ice cream, man, it's pretty shaky. Hey, ice cream, man, I want one of the 2 of the 54 flavors. Marsha Dillon calling you. The body you got down. Hey, what is? When you got off the mall, I heard ice cream man talk down with that. Hey, what is? When you got off the mall, I heard ice cream man talk down with that. Get away with that. You got to go to Keystone. Hey, what is it? You got to take that left side. You got to Keystone. Hello, 809 in Cal, oil can in the Bayou Country, right back. Come on. Gosh, up on this bad play radio. Damn, man, what? I'm back out. I just got this cotton bigger Cadillac in for the night to say. Look, up on that cotton big in the end. 809, Mr. Oil Can in the Bayou Country, cruising this cotton big on the low side for the neighbors. Got down. Hey, tell that about ice cream. Tell that about ice cream. All right. No Raj on ice cream in Great Shaky. No Raj ice cream in California. Marsha Dillon back ride. Hey, 809, I believe it's going to be consequences and repercussion this weekend, Cotton Bigger. Hey, 809, it's going to... Hey, ice cream. You should be looking over in the hog yard with all that noise you're making, man. Hey, ice cream, man, you should be looking over here at Marsha Dillon with all that noise you're making. I'm right back. What's up?
Hey, Dillon. Hey, Dillon, what about this noise? Can this 100 degree southeast quad make some noise? Break.
I got a 20 dB noise level, and you just clearing the 20 dBs. That's how rough it is out here. Hey, ice cream, I know it's rough on you here, and I know there's a whole bunch of big struggles out there. So I want you to back it down. I just want to speak ice cream, Dillon Yard, low side of this peak, right back.
Hey, Dillon, number one son, want to see if I can get it in there where I fit in. Hey, Dillon, can I get in that Apache longbow gunship? Break.
Hey, 910, I'm going to speak to you. Get all the way down. I can't put it in my ear, so I'm going to get out the way. I see it. Up in there. Mr. One here. 69, walking this Willie James in the Mobile. I tell you what. If you're calling, I talk to him. You said you want to talk to Switchblade. You want to talk to Colin Raymond. I tell you what, since you want to get smart with me, I'm going to get smart with you, Cam, man. Now, you see, if you hear Colin Raymond, damn it, you talk to him, you see. Hey, 910, switchblade, one fling, I see you. I'm back here, I'm going to this one. I'm shutting down, going to this one. 809, Lord, I get your sisters. Hey, bye, ice cream, I was trying to get us to out the middle of the road, man. Hello, the ice cream, switch blade right back. Oh, wow, 809, I got to go. Bye.
You just ain't got no mother nature, that's all.
809,
I'm gone.
Big thunder, no. I've been saying thing about me for 6 years. For the last 6 years, 19, we got out there. No people, no care. Every time I say, what the hell is that? No song. This guy was 6 years now. Hey, boy, none. I'm the hardest working man in this land. Hey, 910, for 6 years, them big boys said switchblade ain't got no damn business on the Super Bowl. For 6 years, 910, you doing damn man. I ain't gonna know where you at. Hey, 910, switchblade, good game. What's going on out here? I'm gonna get my head cut, I see it. Hey, 910, I ain't never heard you out here this late, man. Hey, 910, I never used to hear you out here this late, man. You might get a good game. Hey, 910, you might get a good game. For JB, why you getting all the way down? 410, I'm glad he on the landline. I hope whoever it is keep him on the phone. That 410. Sweet thing ain't gonna let him do that. I ain't worried about that because his sweet thing ain't gonna play that there 410. I want you to ask him if he's gonna slap by a black man.
John Deere, Carolina, break.
Well, you're doing that because you're sneaking on folks, see? I know the moral in that story. Like 910, see, Applejack, he live in the bayou country. He's a cold ass. Applejack is a cold ass. He don't know the moral in that story. See, the moral in that story, you need to dynamite wife. You hear me, man? He got his ass beltway saturated. You need to dynamite wife. Marsha Dillon rolled it right back.
What you do, Dynamite White, hug it down? Dynamite White, boy.
No pain, no strain, Dynamite. Glad you Hey, I didn't keep. I listened to read the mail. I did not keep you. Dynamite White and Cali in your mobile. Marsha Dillon on the big old hill in the yard. I see you. Yeah, Big Thunder checking the mail. Yeah, I know you was. That's a good statement you made. You said you was talking to him. I know you was. D. White in your mobile, Marsha Dillon on his hill, back on chill.
7 Hugged Barrel to Lincoln. Dynamite White, Hugged Barrel, looking your way.
I'm gonna get out of 25's ways here, man, cause you're a real good friend of mine. I see you. Hello, 910, Black Rooster, break. Yeah, 809, this is the move, man. Ice cream got my ears talking in Wisconsin, that 410.
Hey, Dillon, can I say hello, howdy doody? Dillon, number 1 on the big quad in the corner, break.
Yeah, you can say hello. I'm gonna see if I can make hello back. Look like my
Hey, Dillon, I don't know when you unkeyed or what happened, man. Cotton Picket T-Bird done keyed up in D.C. There almost everybody out of my radio. Take care, Marshall Dillon. I just want to wave 4 fingers and a thumb. Number 1 son is gone. Boy, it's rough, Dillon. Hey, Dillon, I'm going to pull straight back, man. It's rough. I hear everybody from Noisemaker. I hear you. I hear T-Bird. I hear all sorts of cotton pickers, man. It's just 60 dBs, a mess. Catch you later, Marshall Dillon. Number 1 son is gone.
Real good. Take care, number 1 son. Marshall Dillon over here on this hill in the home yards. I see you.
Got it all that time. Hey, Dillon, I got it all that time. I don't know what happened or what Mother Nature did, but I got it all. Marshall Dillon, 60 dBs in the corner. Number 1 son is rocking your mail.
Tell him out. No, we call number 1 son. I had ice cream man calling T-Bird, so I don't know who you was calling. Hey, number 1 son in Idaho, Marshall Dillon say, was you calling me, babe?
It's this cotton picking girl, man. It's this cotton picking girl. Catch you later, Mr. Worldwide Marshall Dillon, Apache gunbow and all. Number 1 son, big quad in the corner. I'm back listening. See ya. Bye-bye.
Marshall Dillon, my grandma's heels and these razorbacks. Something going on. To me, you see.
And Grandma's house is broadcasting like crazy. Take care, Marshall Dillon. Grandma's house is broadcasting like crazy. I hear all sorts of cotton pickers in your background. Marshall Dillon, number 1 son. Good evening, wave from the corner. I'll see you. Bye-bye.
Good copy, number 1 son. I'm going to stand back. Number 1 son, I'm going to stand down because I want to see who all was trying to roll me out of there. Number 1 son, Dillon, yard. I'm screwing.
Bye. Marshall Dillon, number 1 son is gone.
Hey, number 1 son. I'm a stand by. You want me to stand by?
Hell to the no. I don't ask anybody to stand by. I wish I had a 70 or 80 dB mark on this cotton picking meter because you just done laid it past 60. Hello, Mr. Dangerous T-Bird, your friend in the corner, got down.
Yeah, I just was curious, man, if you wanted me to stand by. I want you to call King of the South. That can be a king snake. Do you hear king snake in your radio there, Brent? So you still might be.
I haven't heard King of the South since he was telling me to call you. Hey, T-Bird, I haven't heard the King of the South since he was telling me to call you, but if he's got a sloppy copy, I'm sure he'll key that microphone. Hey, T-Bird, I got this Watergate rolling just in case the King of the South comes back. Break.
Yeah, I just was curious on this head, man. Hey, number 1 son. I had to go feed the dog, and I had to step from the radio room for a hour there, man. But when I got back here, I heard the cop telling me passing all kind of fires on me there. 410.
For Roger, man. He was looking for you. All I can say is he was looking for you, and I got it all on Memorex. Hey, T-Bird, are you coming to the corner and break?
Popeye, Illinois, Land Lincoln, getting on down. I guess number 1 son, radio must have quit talking too. Baker man, good afternoon to you. T-Bird Stevenson getting down. Oh, ice cream.
My radio didn't quit talking. I don't know what happened. My radio didn't quit talking. Mother Nature took a dip and a dab, and now I'm holding her up by her pants. Hey, T-Bird, do you hear me? Break.
I don't know what happened to number 1 son. I guess the time man radio must have cut off. Baker man, catch you later. T-Bird Shepherd. I'm not that way, so
This is going to be my last key. Hey, T-Bird, this is going to be my last key. I hope my radio's broadcasting. Mr. World's Most Dangerous. If you got a sloppy copy, the sun in the corner is gone.
It ain't your time. It must shift on you. Number one starting to shift on you there. I'll be back next while, man. Let me get out of here, man, because I got some things to do, so I'll bump it on y'all after a while. T-Bird Station is getting down.
I ain't going nowhere. I'll be here. Catch you later, T-Bird. I ain't going nowhere. I'll be here. I'm rocking the mail.
You know what? Before I go, though, every time. It's got to be something wrong. Hey, it's something wrong. It's something wrong. I don't even have your telephone number, but every time I get off the phone, you come right back. Every time you get off the phone, I go right back. I ain't even got your damn phone number. But man, there's something wrong. Every time you get off the phone, I hear somebody in your background. I say this. There's some shit diggity going on. You listen to me, I'm telling you. I say there's some shit diggity going on. 9, 10, bye. Oh, radio. Man, this killer body, no deal, bye. Three double. I'm making these bushes. Bye-bye. Bye. 300. Okay, real fast. I heard you also ask your man 300 with the hammer down. I don't believe you can make no ice cream, Popeye. It will not go. Yeah, but I'm not trying to matter for this, so I don't want to make no mistake. Good Lord, I reckon I just saw President 900 pull down Capitol.